Hi, it's Sonam here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an example of what 30 grams of fibre can look like in your day. Just for reference, I did not meticulously plan this. I just threw together what I had in the house that day. I had to recalculate my total fibre intake because I was a little surprised. Wait until the end to see the total. But for breakfast, I decided to have 2 slices of toast with 2 small raw figs, which gave me a total of 11.4 grams of fibre. For my snack, I had a Cliff Bar, which gave me 4 grams of fibre. I was surprised to learn that there was 19 grams of sugar added into this. So if you're trying to watch your sugar levels, this may not be something that you would choose. You could opt for fresh fruit, dried fruit, or even veggies paired with hummus or nut butter. For my snack number 2 of the day, I decided to have some popcorn. I used 2 tablespoons of popcorn, which roughly equated to about 30 grams. I coated my cast iron pan with some rapeseed oil, heated it up, and then put the kernels on top, closed the lid and let them pop. If you have a popcorn maker, even easier. This came to around 4 grams of fibre. For my lazy lunch, I decided to opt for microwave rice, which was the whole grain basmati version. This gave me around 3 grams in half of a packet, which is what I ate. I mashed that with some salmon. I added in my seasonings, sriracha sauce, mayo, and soy sauce. Then I paired that with 100 grams of beetroot and also 30 grams of some avocado and some nori, which gave me a small amount of fibre, but I included it anyway. I also had some pickle on the side, and I also sprinkled some sesame seeds on top. The total amount of fibre for my lunch came to 8.6 grams. If anyone's curious how I ate this, I just wrapped the mix into the nori and then ate the rest of it with my fork. And finally, the last meal of the day is called pea pasta, and let me tell you, it was really tasty. I used 170 grams of cooked whole wheat pasta and 100 grams of green peas. I sprinkled some feta cheese on top, and that was it. I was a little surprised to find out that the daily total fibre intake came to 39.5 grams of fibre. I just wanted to add in a few take-home messages here. It's probably sensible to increase your fibre intake over time slowly and not just go in there overnight trying and hit 30 grams of fibre, because number one, this is not in any order. It may upset your digestive system. Probably likely it will if you're not used to eating a higher amount of fibre. Number two, it can make you feel bloated, which again links to the uncomfortable digestion experience, and also it may put you off eating higher fibre foods if you go into this too quickly. I think if you're looking to make any sustainable lifestyle change, it's sensible to do it slowly, and that way you're more likely to make sustainable, lifelong, healthy habits. If you found this useful, give it a like. Thanks very much for watching.